Hello there everyone, and welcome to our Cozy Creatures Stamp, Die and More release full reveal video. So first up we have the Sweet Flowers. Now this is a beautiful 6x8 stamp set. It features 3 beautiful flowery blooms with layers as well as some sentiments. So if I turn this over, you can see that we do have the layering guide on the back of the packaging. So that's going to really help with you lining this up perfectly. Now each of the flowers and the stems have 2 layers each, so it makes it really quick and easy to layer. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available, which cuts out that large floral bloom as well as the little one in there as well. So lots you can do with this one. I think that it would work for all different occasions as well. Next up we have the Simple Roses. Now this is a beautiful 6x8 stamp set again. So we have 3 beautiful bloomy roses in here, as well as a bud, leaves and some sentiments as well. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available, which is going to cut out all of those 3 roses as well as the bud and the leaves that are in the set as well. As well as that, we do have the mask stencil too. So this means that you're going to be able to quickly and easily mask off your images and also use the stencil to add a little bit of ink blending into them. The sentiments included in this set are very, very pretty and means that you'll be able to use them for all different occasions. Next up, we have the Hello Hydrangea stamp set. In this one, we have a really large bloom, which is a hydrangea bloom, as well as leaves. We have some single images as well as little berries and buds and lots of cool sentiments in here. So we have lots of varying fonts and different sizes and styles in the sentiments. So it's going to be really, really cool to play with this one. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available, which is going to cut out all of those various images that we do have on this really large stamp set. As the hydrangea image is really large on this set, it makes it perfect for larger cards and even scrapbooking too. Next up we have the Birch Forest. So in this one we have a really large background image which is filled with birch trees, as well as some really great sentiments which are really uplifting and great to send on all of your handmade cards. We do have lots of inspiration inside the trifold and lots of things that can be done with this. As this is a gender neutral image, you can use this for all of your cards, be that feminine or masculine in design. Next up we have the Friends Forever stamp set. So this is 6x8 again, and in this one we have a large coffee cup as well as straws and some really cool sentiments as well. Great to send cards to loved ones and friends that you maybe haven't seen for a while but do want to catch up with. Inside we have lots of inspiration. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available too, which is going to cut out all of those images from the stamp set really quickly and easily. Next up we have a 4x6 stamp set, and this is Chipmunk and Squirrel. This is a very, very cute stamp set and great for watercoloring to create like fairy storybook designs. So we have lots of little squirrels, some chipmunks, as well as some scenery and some really cool sentiments that match the set. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available too, which is going to cut out all of those little creatures as well as the scene images too. Last but not least in our stamps for this release, we have the Warm Heart stamp set. So in this one we have a really cute image of some little penguins, as well as a sentiment which says "You warm my heart," which is a really great one to go with the image. As well as the stamp set, we have the matching die set available too, which is going to cut out those beautiful penguins there. Next up we have a standalone die set. So this is Festive Clusters Die Set. And in this one you're going to get 2 delicate floral clusters which include poinsettias, some roses, some holly leaves and some ferns and mistletoe as well. So a lot going on here, really, really cute. This does match with the festive floral frame as well, so this would be a great one to mix and match with that set. Next up we have the Baby Shower Simple Colouring Stencil. So we released Baby Shower stamp set in our recent release, and this one is going to allow you to add colour to those really cute creatures and the banner and all of the little accessories that they have in the stamp set. A really great one to use for baby cards and more as well, so this would work for various different occasions. Next up we have our small ink blending tools. Now if you love our blending tool because it's really, really cool, you would maybe want to try these too. These are smaller in size, so it means that they're going to work perfect for smaller spaces and even our colouring stencils. So they have bright white bristles which are really tightly compacted, which will allow you to add really soft colour to your ink blending projects. Next up in the release is a very handy tool if you do have our artist markers. Now these are artist marker decal toppers, so these are going to allow you to add stickers to the tops of your markers to show you which one is the top, which is the bottom, so the bullet nib and also the really cool brush nib that we have. So it's really going to allow you to really quickly know which is which. Also, it does have the name of the colour on there too. So there are 2 of each. So one has the little bullet nib, one has the brush nib, and then the other 2 stickers of the same colour have the name on. So you can choose which ones that you would want to use on your markers, giving you a really great variety there. So these are all the new products in our Cozy Creature release, which is October 2020. We really do hope you've seen something that makes you want to create something beautiful and inspires you to create. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.